Alright, how's it going, guys? It's been a while since we got my mom, so I figured today's the perfect time. She's down there, she already passed out. And my dad's in there snoring, so she's like sleeping right on the couch right down there. So we're gonna start out with, we got 4 bottles of maple syrup.
Oh.
We're gonna tape them all together. And then once we get the maple syrup
Don't be a cunt. Drink it.
we got 2 bags of feathers, 5 pounds of flour here, bag of popcorn, and then you got the googly eyes in your pocket. Yeah, this should be good. Alright, ready? Take all these lids off. I missed the old Kanye.
Hey, don't sing that. Copyright.
He lets the nuke.
Even the one with the dude and the drum pad? And the old
The Tukadure?
Tukadure? Put them together.
Oh,
Like diamond.
but they're not forever.
Yeah,
Restack.
can we get a restack? We have the worst tape ever. We got some scotch tape, hopefully. And we get the base.
You better hold these tight.
Oh, yeah.
You're gonna lose the flour.
Don't want to lose that flour. I missed the old quality. Think that's it?
Nah,
How much more do you want?
a lot.
A lot more than
Go
that?
down around the base too.
Yeah, you got it. Don't forget the bass and the balls. Oh, what?
You don't think that's good?
You
Just hold it
focus-
like that.
That's all the tape.
You just focused way too much on the shaft, but that's okay.
Alright, so we got that. Okay, so you're gonna do this, right?
Yeah, is that first?
Yeah, that's first, and then we'll do the flour. Then you get the feathers, then I'll get the popcorn, and then Austin comes in with the eyes. Let me do one more peek, make sure. She's good to go. Oh man. Alright, I'll carry. This is me. Might as well. We gotta be all in one motion here. So you get that, I get this. I don't want like a big gap. She's just gonna be waking up. Alright, ready?
So what's the situation? Got a number of jackets, toys, and food items we picked up around the perimeter. Pictures of all of them. Okay. So on Wednesday, you turned up anything suspicious at part of the family's? Couple of moms saw the same guy with a dog. We've seen at the playground before. We checked on his database and he's clean. Scared for his speed seniors. You left any fingerprints? None. Here, of course. No reports of collusion. Some people remember seeing Tommy such he vanished in the thin air. We're doing background checks of family relations. And I want you to check this outlying area. I want you to go door to door, checking every basement, every abandoned refrigerator, any place that you can think of this Tommy man hidden.
Good morning. Good morning. Having a good drink?
What's going on? Jesus Christ. I was just trying to sleep. Where's your fucking father?
Back in there sleeping.
What are you doing? Oh God, stop. What the fuck is this? Stop. Just stop, Georgie. Stop. That's enough.
I'm done. I'm putting it away.
You gotta put it away.
We can use it
Didn't
for,
we just have a talk about you're not gonna do this anymore?
use it for pancakes.
Look, where'd you get all these feathers from? What the fuck is this?
Googly eyes.
I got them from Walmart. You said you always wanted to be a bird, so this is your opportunity. You fly, though. What?
Just can't believe
She's
he's
got
nothing to me. I don't even know
eyes
what
on
to
her
think.
hands.
And give you a fucking
Look,
slap on
they're
there.
stuck. That's amazing.
Good eyes.
You're assholes. Guys,
I might want to sleep there.
yeah, go ahead. You can sleep here. You can fucking sleep here. And look at this. You can fucking clean this mess up. Stop! Stop! Stop, Georgie.
Alright, you can get to
Get
sleep.
these fucking feathers off me. Pull them off my feet. I don't want this all over the floor. You know what? I bet you a lot of mothers don't put up with this.
Probably not.
Get the fuck off my
mine
fingers.
Oh, you're getting syrup everywhere.
Wait, don't get on socks.
Does your mom support this?
No.
Mine doesn't
Where did it go?
Mine wouldn't.
I wish your dad was up.
You sleeping?
See this bullshit. Okay, have fun cleaning up, because I ain't coming back out.
Hey, Socks.
Socks got it.
Soxon has it. Oh man. You gotta clean up.
Looks like Fruity Pebbles. You think this is how they make it?
With feathers?
Feathers and
Syrup? Flour?
this was sugar, I imagine. It's because his normal eyes don't work that well.
Wow, look at his little cat prints.
He's gonna eat the popcorn.
No, he's not.
Yeah, he is. Look at him. He's gonna eat the popcorn.
He's not eating the popcorn.
He's gonna eat the popcorn.
He's not gonna eat
He's
the
gonna eat the
popcorn.
popcorn. Eat your popcorn. Eat your food.
Socks, you fat lard. Eat the bit. Eat the bit.